Let's look at how to track what users do in your app. First, you need to identify what's important to know about what your users are doing. Do you care if they set preferences? Maybe you want to know if they reach a certain level in your game. Perhaps you want to know if they ordered takeout, or if they clicked an ad. So here's the code to send an event hit to Analytics. You create the tracker, should know how to do that by now. Then you use an event builder to build an event hit. You set the category, the action, and the label. And these three things, the category, the action, and the label, are going to show up in the Analytics dashboard. And you put this code wherever you want to record the event. So I'd like to know which of the dinner options are unpopular, which ones people don't want to see again. So I'm going to add the code to track the event in the method that's called when the user presses this button. In this case, it's the remove meal method. So this is the remove meal method in the show dinner activity. This is the method that gets clicked when users press the button to say they don't like a meal. So this method creates an intent to start the remove meal activity. And here's where I've added the code to send a hit to Analytics. I get the tracker, I build the event. I've set the category to dinner action, set the action to dislike dinner choice, and here I'm passing in the selected dinner so that I can keep track of actually which dinner it is that users don't like. So to see the report for the events in the Analytics dashboard, you go to Behavior, Events, and Overview. While you're waiting for the data to show up in the Analytics dashboard, you can check the log in Android Studio to make sure that the hits did in fact get sent. And in the Analytics dashboard, in the Events Overview, make sure that the date range includes today's date. So I actually had to wait about half an hour for these events to show up, but here they are. You see the event categories. I've only got one event category. You see the actions, and again I've only got one action. And you see the labels. And you can drill down into the events, drill down into the actions. So here I can see that the tofu and coriander salad was the most disliked with 3 dislikes, and you can see other data about the event.